All right, welcome back to another daily video update. So let's start with the weekly. So these are things that we're going to mark out for this week's trade. So here's the area where the buyers are going to step in. That's your wick zone. Go wick, weekly. Now that we know that, we also see that there's a break of structure right there off of the weekly, and the body closes all the way down here. So that's the break of structure weekly. So they're areas that the market's going to want to gravitate to. Now let's go on the daily to see. So the daily closed a 50-50 candle. This is still a strong bullish candle. So how you can set your trades up, you can start shorting from above here, or you can scale in here and trade off of this 50-50 candle. So if we mark out this 50-50 candle here, that, look at that 75. So that's a take profit right there. That's where the first take profit comes, and coincidentally it comes right on that break of structure. So all the sellers from today will be looking to sell in this zone, and they'll be looking to take profit here to then possibly drag it all the way to then TP2, and then you've got a daily wick zone, which is right there, because you've got your support here. This is your strongest buy zone. If you get them, you get them. Like, they don't come all the time. Sometimes it stops here because this is a weekly support, so it might not touch it, but it will come close. And then from there, it can make a new high to then continue off its full journey. But for now, I am only shorting, and I will have my stop losses there on this particular trade. I do have my scale in, which I started somewhere up here, and I've got some more up here up to this zone, so that'll be my stop loss. But that's a longer term trade, and on that trade I am looking to get all the way down into here. This will be a gap close. This is a monthly body. And let's just see, actually, let me just double check that, so I'm not just, and that way you can see what I've marked. Yeah, oh sorry, so that's not the monthly body, that's the monthly break of structure. Monthly break of structure, and the one below is the body. So that's the monthly body. You'll see a lot of buyers start stepping in here. So on smaller time frames, you'll see big buys happen in these zones, big buy happen in this zone, and this is your major buy. So your strongest buyers are right here to then try to take this up another leg. If they're going to try to take it, they're going to try to take this high. Otherwise, the sellers will start pumping in now to take out this low. It's a long-term trade. Let's just get back to that short-term analysis. So we know the weekly, we know the zones. I will be taking some big shorts today to take out these zones. The start of the month is like my favorite time as well, because we get that like retracements. Now looking at the daily, that's what we see. You want to get more shorts in this zone. See what we can see on the 4 hour. The 4 hour is showing the way it closed was weak. I'm expecting a gap down. So what we could see, market open, gaps down, say about there. That's a reasonable gap down to then come fill the gap to then possibly make its next leg down here, and then buyers will probably ramp it up to the resistance level, wherever the resistance level might be, or even to the break to then take it down further. But that's, you just got to watch for these things. Definitely take profit on the 75, and we'll just have to keep monitoring. For now, that's the game plan. You've got a big wick down here, so the market is going to gravitate down to these zones like a magnet. But as is this, because that is that monthly wick plus the gap. So this is a strong zone for buyers. Buyers are pushing for this zone. I mentioned this zone a lot. I think from here I started mentioning it. It did take obviously 2-3 months, but these are the long-term trades. These are the long things that you need to look at so you know where the market's going to go. If people are going to go, oh, why did it drop all the way down here? It's going back down. Well, no, it's really just filling gaps, jumping back off structures. It's just doing what it's meant to do. Apart from that, I think that's all the information that you need for the day. Happy trading.